HDFC Bank's today work from home move sparks fresh debate on 5-day banking demand in public sector banks. HDFC Bank's reported move to allow eligible non-customer facing employees to work from home for up to 2 days a week has reignited discussions around the long-pending demand for a 5-day banking system in public sector banks. Many banking employees say that while private banks are introducing flexible work policies, PSB staff have been awaiting implementation of a 5-day work week for years, with employees believing it could improve work-life balance and reduce operational costs across the sector. Uni Global Union extends solidarity to NCBE-affiliated All India SBI Staff Federation ahead of nationwide strike. Uni Global Union has extended solidarity to the All India State Bank of India Staff Federation ahead of the proposed nationwide SBI strike on May 25 to 26, 2026. The development has brought international attention to employee demands related to recruitment, outsourcing, pension issues, and implementation of agreements within SBI. DFS pushes austerity drive in PSBs and RRBs, mandates virtual meetings and EV transition. The Department of Financial Services, DFS, has directed public sector banks and regional rural banks to implement austerity measures aimed at reducing expenditure and improving operational efficiency. The instructions reportedly include promoting virtual meetings, limiting unnecessary expenses, and encouraging the use of electric vehicles for official purposes. The move has sparked discussions across banking circles regarding cost control and administrative reforms. IDBI Bank Board approves plan to raise up to 10,000 crore rupees through bonds in FY27. IDBI Bank's board has approved a proposal to raise up to 10,000 crore rupees through bonds during FY 2026-27. The fundraising plan is aimed at strengthening the bank's financial position and supporting future business expansion requirements. DFS reviews unresolved CP Grams complaints against banks and insurers. The Department of Financial Services has reportedly reviewed unresolved grievances filed through the CP Grams portal against banks and insurance companies. The review focused on pending complaints, grievance disposal systems, and customer service accountability within the financial sector. Bihar Gramin Bank officer alleges humiliation, personal remarks, harassment and threats by regional manager. A Bihar Gramin Bank officer has alleged humiliation, personal remarks, harassment, and threats by a regional manager in a complaint that has drawn attention across banking circles. The matter has again highlighted concerns regarding workplace conduct, employee dignity, and internal grievance mechanisms within regional rural banks. High attrition becoming the new reality in regional rural banks? Regional rural banks, RRBs, are witnessing growing employee attrition despite reporting strong business growth and profitability in FY 2025-26. Employees across multiple RRBs cite slow promotions, transfer-related concerns, staff shortages, limited benefits, and challenging rural working conditions as key reasons behind the rising exits, with many describing it as a serious long-term concern for the sector. UPGBEU urges Uttar Pradesh Gramin Bank to start promotion process without delay. The Uttar Pradesh Gramin Bank Employees Union has urged bank management to initiate the pending promotion process without further delay. The union reportedly raised concerns over employee career progression and administrative delays affecting staff morale. Rajasthan Gramin Bank officers and employees associations seek halt on transfers until transparent policy is implemented. Associations representing officers and employees of Rajasthan Gramin Bank have demanded a halt on transfers until a transparent and mutually accepted transfer policy is implemented. The issue has intensified discussions around transfer practices, policy transparency, and employee concerns in RRBs.